2025 Guide, Setting Up Your Brostrend Extender. Have you bought new Brostrend Wi-Fi Extender and doesn't know how to set up the device? Don't worry, in just a few simple steps given in this video, you can set up the extender and boost your Wi-Fi signal, and enjoy an ultimate coverage throughout your home. Watch the video till the end to ensure you have set up and configured Brostrend Wi-Fi Extender correctly. First of all, unbox the Brostrend Extender and plug the extender into an electrical outlet. Make sure to configure the extender in the same room as your router. The power LED light will turn solid blue when powered on. You can set up the extender using either the web interface or the WPS method. Let's learn method 1 first, that is, web interface setup. Connect your device, smartphone, tablet, or PC, to the extender's Wi-Fi network named Brostrend_EXT. No password is required for the initial connection. Once connected, the setup page should open automatically. If not, type re.brostrend.com in your browser's address bar. Create the administrator password for the extender on the first-time login. Now, select your router's network from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router's and click Extend. Wait 2 to 3 seconds for the extender to establish connection. The extender will automatically add _EXT or _5G EXT to your existing Wi-Fi name. When the signal LED turns solid blue, your Wi-Fi network is successfully extended. If the LED turns red, move the extender closer to your router and try again. If the LED doesn't light up, the connection hasn't been established. Try again. Like this, you can complete Brostrend Extender's configuration using web interface method. Next, let's learn WPS method. In WPS method, ensure your router has a WPS button. Press WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on your router will change its color. Within 2 minutes, press WPS button on the extender. The WPS LED on the extender will blink while pairing with the router. The signal LED shows the connection status. Once the connection is complete, the signal LED will turn solid blue. Your Brostrend Wi-Fi Extender is now set up and ready to use.
Thank you.